To use a translator for real-life conversations on POCO C85, then in that case we need to download an app that allows us to translate real-life conversations. So for that reason, we're gonna open the Play Store. Now let's tap on search at the bottom and then search field at the top. And we can simply search for translate. This should allow you to find the Google Translate app. This is of course the one that we are looking for. So we can tap on it in order to find the install button. And we need to of course install the app. It is completely free and you should have no issues at all with using the app. So once the app is installed, you should be able to open it from the Play Store, or of course you can go to the app drawer and open it from there. And once we open the Google Translate, you will pretty much immediately have this prompt where we can be guided to open the conversation mode. So this is what we are looking for real-life conversations. Of course, we need to grant the permission. There we go. And now whatever we say out loud, it can be translated into the selected language. Of course, we can pause the microphone and make the phone stop listening. We can choose, for example, our language and the language of the other person that we don't speak, but they do, of course, so that we can communicate with them quite easily. Also, we can switch the view using this icon over here at the top. We can switch to this vis-a-vis view, face-to-face. So you can, for example, hold your phone like this, just normally when you are facing someone, so they can see what you are saying, and of course it will be translated, and vice versa. So that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.